Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Charlie, I'm going to give a shout out to Charlie and his family. Dude, this one is for y'all. This is a 2026 Durango, model number 348BHF. So let's get started. The length on this Durango is 42 feet, 42 feet, 2 inches. The dry weight is 13,830 with a hitch weight of 2,580 with a GVWR of 15,995. Holy moly doly.
Guys, this is one, we've said it on some other ones, but this one for sure. Grab you a snack, grab you a drink, sit back. This one's going to take a little while. But if you guys have got a big family, this is huge. The one you need to look at.
This is it.
This is a 26 model. As you can tell, Durango has changed some of their graphics package. So they've got this new cap up here that looks absolutely amazing.
Boom.
Coming up here at the front, they're going to give you just tons of storage. And your inverter is going to be up here.
I don't think we've ever seen a bunkhouse fifth wheel quite like this one.
You guys, I mean,
you got to stick around.
When we get back there, you are just going to be, well, you're either going to be amazed or you're going to think we're crazy. One or the other.
Either that or, yeah.
Real quick, let me point out on the slides, you're going to have Schwintech up here on the main bedroom, and then everything else is going to be rack and pinion. They are going to put your 2 propanes right there, and your leveling system is going to be behind that little door. Now this has 4-point leveling, which I'm a little disappointed. I really think this one needs 6 because it is massive. But that's what they did, so that's what you get.
When you get a lot of you hiring kids back there in that back, they're going to be jumping around.
Oh my goodness. So here's where your hookups are going to be. We have pointed this out time and time again about these Durango models. The basement area in this is just massive. I mean, you can carry a lot of stuff. Just be careful that you don't overload your rig.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. Your tank pools are going to be right down here. One of your dump areas is going to be kind of under the edge of the slide, but you should be able to access it just right there.
And the new Kirk suspension that they're putting on these is amazing.
That's pretty good. Yes, it is. And we are so happy to see that on the 26 models. And I think that's just kind of across the board on the Durangos. I'm not sure about their half-ton, so-called half-ton models. We haven't seen those yet, but we'll let you know when we find one. Another dump area here with your pool. Let's see, this is going to have frameless windows, so yeah, Durango has gone to the more squared off style on their windows. They look really nice and clean. At the back, you do have a nice big ladder to get up on top. It is prepped for a backup camera. And of course, this is Durango. They're going to, anytime they can give you some storage, they're going to give you storage. And I love these little pull-out drawers on the back.
You could do all your annoying lights at campgrounds.
Yes,
you can store them all right there.
I am that person that makes everybody else mad because I like to put lights out.
And I don't say a word to you.
Right now, I don't put that many. I really don't, and I do turn them off when I don't go to sleep. Forget about it. You also are going to have a towing hitch down here. It's going to be rated up to 3,000 pounds. Guys, you're already over 42 feet long. Just be really careful if you decide to add something else to the back.
Oh.
Coming down here on your campsite, you have 2 awnings. The one on your slide out, it should be 11.
Yeah.
And the other one is something.
Well, I can't remember either. 16.
16. All right. Now, for those who like to be outside, you like to tailgate, you like to cook, you like to gather, this is the place to do it.
Yep.
You are going to have a, what is this? It looks like a 40-inch TV back here.
I think it was a 42, I think. Well, let's just find out real quick. Yep. 40. Well, it's actually a 43 if they make such a thing, but I think it's a 42.
Yeah, they may call that a 42.
Yeah.
And then there's storage up above it. Then you've got this mini fridge.
I wish I was watching football today.
I know.
I got a big game we got to watch.
Yeah, I can't say anything because I don't want to jinx them because I really want them to win. But mini fridge, pull out grill down here.
Wow.
Somewhere
Very
under
nice.
there, yeah, there's your little hanging tag for your propane quick connect. Another shot down here of your wheels and such.
Come here, see if you can reach this.
I can't reach that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you
That
are
is so good.
if you're 5'2" like I am, you're going to have to put a little pull handle
Yeah.
on there so you can.
You have
so
to tie you something right there on
'cause
that.
I'll never be able to reach it, but it's
Wow.
high enough that hey, if you're standing out here and it's drizzling a little bit, you can cook and not get wet.
Yes.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you, Captain Obvious.
I am so good today. I am on a roll. Right back up here at the front.
Okay.
You are behind door number 1 here.
Yeah.
It's going to be, oh, they left us a cleaning rack
well,
there.
good.
Your batteries are going to go down there. Of course, your solar controller battery disconnects in here. And here's going to be the other side of this big old basement. I mean, it's just, wow.
And they got the,
Yes, and I love the new access doors that they're giving everybody.
I like the lights too.
Yep, they do give you another quick connect, so if you want to bring another grill out, you can, or a propane. Hey, we like our propane fire pit, so
Yeah.
let's go in and take a look at this one. Something new, they're putting KZ in the steps, so that's really cute. Just a quick look around. Do we want to do, let's do this living and kitchen area before we show them this cool bunk room.
Okay.
We'll just go ahead and start with this very front here. You're going to have a freestanding table with 4 chairs. And then your theater seating over here.
And then your table,
KZ is still doing, yeah.
this will pull out.
Oh, it pulls out.
That's what it does.
Yeah. Yeah, so if you like to play cards or do puzzles or need somewhere to store a laptop, that's a good spot. The big windows, we love these. They have gone to where they're a little bit smaller that they open, and then you've got a solid window at the top. I think I like that better than the big ones that slide.
Yeah.
They are still doing Thomas Paine furniture, but this is a new style. So you've got these little patterns in the back, and y'all, these are really soft and comfortable because I try them out every chance I get, like right now. This is going to put you directly in front of your entertainment
And I
center.
see you in the,
I know, there I am.
there you are.
And I can't keep my shades on my head.
Well, let me go ahead and measure this
So you've
before
got-
you guess.
You've got
and,
these great storage up here, and there's the back of his head. I'm going to say that's a 50.
Nope, 42.
That's a 42?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm off. I bet a 50 would fit, though.
Yeah.
Anyway, you got a nice big TV, sound bar down here, and a great electric fireplace for those cooler mornings. It is going to swivel around. There I am again. KZ is still going to put vents in the floor. Don't be scared of vents in the floor. I'm telling you, it's not a big deal. Actually, they actually heat better than the ones in the cabinet. We're just going to throw that out there. And they're not hard to keep clean, I promise. They're really not. We have a 65-pound mutt that we take with us, and they're easy to clean.
You don't call her a mutt.
She is a mutt. Here, she's a pit mix, but she's still a mutt.
She's my baby.
Here in the kitchen area, you got a nice big microwave. That's one of those air fryer things too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Convection air fryer. It'll do it all. You've got storage on both sides. You've got your big 4-burner cooktop with a big old oven. I am so jealous. I want one of these so bad. I don't even like to cook, but I still want one. You're going to have solid surface countertops in here and some great storage on both sides. I love that they give you plug-ins on both sides. Now coming around here to this side of your island, you do have a built-in, a pull-out garbage can.
Garbage can.
Drawers. Solid surface around this also. Some really nice storage under your sink. They do give you the little holder down there to put your sink inserts in. More drawers. I do see that you have a tire pressure monitor down there.
Yep, there it is.
Up here you're going to have the big stainless steel sink with a pull-down high-rise faucet.
Oh, they give you a counter extension on
And
this side.
You get an extension, yes. Residential style French door fridge with the freezer that is locked.
There you go.
There you go.
So I forgot to do the prep work.
That's okay. And then coming over here, let's go up here. So you got this coffee bar area. We're going to have all kinds of storage up here. You got some controllers in that little, and that's a great place to stash your phones too.
Yeah.
Down here you're going to have a solid surface bar with is that a?
Aha!
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice, very nice. More storage underneath, and then it covers up your fuses, so you don't have to see them.
Yeah.
And then there is this pantry. Oh my goodness, it does have a light in here. They give you a little bag of KZ goodies there, and these shelves are adjustable. Love it. Okay, we have mentioned our friends, the U-Hirons. We're going to show you this bunk room. This is why we think you guys might want to consider this. This is the bunk room. I'm just going to see if we can just take it all in here for a minute. This is just crazy amazing. And yes, that is a permanent
Staircase or ladder.
Okay, so we'll just start over here at the front. We don't even have all the lights on in here.
Oh.
So you're going to have the built-in bunk up here. It's 250 pounds. Now this one is going to have to go up in transit.
There.
And
it will lay down.
we'll need to put the little legs down.
Yeah.
But so, yeah, you have that bunk. And then up here, this is going to be at the very back of your fifth wheel. Let me go around the stairs here. So you've got a wardrobe with hanging, storage down there, space down there for a basket. You actually have a dresser here with 6 drawers.
Goodness gracious. Come on now.
Yes, I know. It's just amazing.
Come on.
Looks like another 42-inch TV back here already in place. Storage over there. Another wardrobe on that other side that's going to look just like this one. But hang on. Here is another slide over here. And it's going to have a bunk that can go up if it needs to. And it also has 250-pound capacity. They're going to give you a love seat down here that will make into another sleeping area.
Yes.
So I think we've counted that you can get up to 6, maybe 7 back here. If you have 2 small kids, they could sleep there.
I bet you could probably get 8 in here.
This awesome little staircase thing here, little ladder, and it's sturdy. And for once, I am actually not scared to go up one. So then you've got 2 twin beds up here, and you've got storage over there on both sides. You see, you do have some USB. Let's see if I can point those out right there. So, and then it is actually prepped right back there for another TV if you want to add that. I love that they give you some windows. There's one on that side. Let me come around and show you one on this side. So you've got natural light, and I'm right under this fan. So that it does have a fan in here. We did point out, I think on the outside, that it has got 3 AC units. But we are not finished with this bunk room yet. We got to show you one more thing.
All right, around the corner.
Round the corner you go, and you have a full bath. So this has got a shower. This looks like the same size as ours.
30 by 36.
30 by 36. But it's a full shower, guys.
Yeah.
You do have a porcelain foot flush toilet, not plastic. Around your sink area, you got a medicine cabinet up here. Nice size sink. And then there's storage underneath. And I'm just going to back up and show you where he's standing. I mean, there's some travel trailers that don't have that big a bathroom.
Yeah.
And this is the second bath. This is not even the main bath. Got to plug in
heating is behind the toilet, so just point that out.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. This is why we said, hey, you got a family, this is the one you need to come check out. But we're not finished, so I hope your snacks haven't run out yet, because we're going to head upstairs. Here's your control units as you come up the stairs. Now, new for 26, Durango has gone into the 2 entries into the bathroom.
Yeah.
Which it's got some advantages and it's got some disadvantages. The advantage is it's going to give you a little more space in your bedroom to be able to make up the bed. The disadvantage is it does make a smaller vanity area.
It still makes me want to dance in the shower.
Yes. It has got the one-piece Encore with a fold-down seat. As you can see, you don't even have to step up to get into it. It's nice and flush. Heating's going to be right down there.
What did I say? It's a 30. It's actually a 30 by
42.
42.
Yeah. So great size. Big old fan up here.
Big old fan.
You're going to have 2 medicine cabinets. So you've got this one with the towel rack that is right over your other porcelain foot flush toilet. And then on this side, you have a medicine cabinet that's mirrored. Let me get over here and show you. Now this is the downfall on this one. It does give you a smaller area around your sink. And then right down here is going to be storage underneath. And something else that's new for this particular, since they've revamped it, is the way they are doing the, whatever this is, linen closet. So yeah, you've got these 3 here, and then you're going to have 3 drawers down here. And I love these. They are a soft close. And voila, magically, it does get the golden plunger.
Yes, it does.
Even with the smaller vanity, because you have so much storage in here, you've got more than enough space to put everything in here.
It's growing on me.
I'm really liking it. I was concerned when we first saw the floor plans. I thought, I don't know how I'm going to like the 2 doors, but I do like it.
Yeah.
Obviously, that one goes through the bedroom, so here I go through the hall. Durango is going to give you a full king-size bed.
What do they call theirs? A 70 by 80?
Yeah.
Is that what they call it?
Yeah, it's 80 long, 70 wide.
I love this.
You can option a queen in it if you want to. I do like that padded headboard.
I do. I like that.
Yeah, I like the lighter color. They're going to give you windows around it, but there's blackout shades all the way around. You do have storage underneath, and then you've got these baskets that you can access right there at the foot.
Wow.
If you're worried about power, you've got power, USB, and you're going to have a little motion sensor light on both sides. And I just absolutely love that. Like I said, we did point out already the 3 ACs, but here you can see this one. Here, let me slide around here, and there's me in the mirror again. Ugh. 8 drawers.
Yeah.
This is new. They have not been doing 8 drawers. So this is a 2006 model thing that they're doing. Is they're giving you 8 drawers. You're going to have room up here to add another TV if you want to. It's already prepped with all your plug-ins.
It just takes me longer to shut them.
Yes, it does. They're giving you a great little window over here.
Oh, sorry. Were you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay.
Yeah, so you do have this great area. I kind of wish they had put a hanging up there, but I know why they didn't, and we'll show you in just a second because you don't really need it. But yeah, you got this great closet that is prepped for either a combo or a stackable washer dryer if you want to add those.
Oh yeah.
But see, I mean, you have all of this hanging, so I don't carry that many clothes with me, but that's me.
Okay.
Now, shoes is a different story. So you have this great shoe rack back here. So
all right.
Hey, yeah, guys, definitely tell us what you think about this one. This is a really neat floor plan, and it has an awesome bunk room. So if you've got kids, or if your kids have a lot of friends, you might want to look at this one.
All right, everybody. If you like this Durango bunkhouse, the dealership's information is be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.